Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all a DIY face pack that can be used for all skin types for smooth, clear and bright skin. For this, we need 1 teaspoon of honey, curd, oats powder and gram flour. Mix all these ingredients well to make a smooth paste. Apply on the face and also on the neck part and let the face pack dry for 15 minutes. And rinse with water, pat dry and moisturize your skin as usual. Oats can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. It helps to treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. They remove the dirt and oil that clog the pores and exfoliate skin. Gram flour plus curd, this will remove tan, clean up complexion and lighten your skin tone. Honey, it's full of antioxidants, prevents aging and boosts glow. It's extremely moisturizing and hydrates even the driest of the skin. If your skin is sensitive, then you can do a patch test. Face after 15 minutes, my face really feels very fresh and soft. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share, do leave your valuable comments in the comment section. I'll be back with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.